Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM Certified 2017 Buick Envision Essence all-wheel drive. Stock number X299XX. Only 10,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Ebony Twilight Metallic in color. To be GM Certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection. Giving you the balance of a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Envision's a very safe vehicle. 5-star overall government crash rating. Seats 5, leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Rear climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. Split rear seats, fold flat with the pull of a handle. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Not only low miles, but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Essence has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, height adjustable power liftgate control, power seats along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to project a perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges, again only 10,000 miles with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Separate rear climate control. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone front climate, along with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box with the owner's materials. Overhead, home link transmitter for garage door opener. Power moonroof and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this Envision has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 197 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon and a city average of 28 on the highway and approximately 50% tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.